So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a circle crop or this whole webcam effect on your videos. So if you spend any time watching videos, you've probably seen something like this, where this is a circular crop or circular webcam effect. And a lot of times you see this in gaming videos or tutorial videos. And so in today's DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a super easy circular crop effect on your videos, and this is definitely made for beginners. However, within DaVinci Resolve, you could get pretty creative and create more complex circular crops, whether you do it using Fusion compositions, or you could do more advanced things in Fusion like this, or you could even do the same effect using the color page as well. So there are many ways to do this, but on today's video, I'm going to be showing you the super easy way to do it. So to start off, we're going to have 2 or more clips. So in this case, I'm using 2 video clips. The one on the bottom is where you're basically going to have your background, and then the clip above it is where we're going to apply our circular crop or circular webcam effect. So this is really easy. All you have to do is select your clip that you want the circular crop effect on, which is going to be the one above it. And then you're going to go here to your open effects and filters, and you could do search for transform, and you could either drag it over your clip or double click it. And once you've done that, you could go here to your inspector. So if your inspector is not there, go ahead and click on inspector. And if you're not sure if your effect is on there, you see this thing called FX. So once you have that and your clip is selected, you're going to go here to effects. And then you're going to see all these options. You're going to go down here to image adjustments. And there is some options for edge rounding, edge softness. So go here to edge rounding, and then you can increase this. And if you go all the way to the right, it'll be a perfect circle or 1. And then if you wanted to apply some softness, you could do that as well. And now you have your circular crop or circular webcam effect. And you could also resize this or adjust this. Say, for example, you want to adjust the positioning of your video in this crop. You could go here to video and then adjust the position right here. You could even adjust the zoom. So there's a lot of things you could do here. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is, if you wanted to adjust the size of your circular crop, go back to your effects, and here is zoom. And then there is position X and position Y. And so we'll go ahead and move it over here. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And there you go. We now have our circular crop. And if you wanted to make it stand out a little bit more, you could also add a drop shadow effect. So we'll look for a drop shadow. And we'll drop that here. And now we actually have a drop shadow, and you could also adjust this drop shadow effect as well. So we'll go down here, and you could go ahead and adjust your drop shadow. So that is all it takes to do a really quick and easy circular crop or circular webcam effect. And I think this really adds a lot to your videos. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my tutorial on how to do this whole circular crop or circular webcam effect using OBS, I will leave that in the description area below or up here. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.